Comparing function. So number 23 is to decide which linear function is increasing at a greater rate. So function 1 has x-intercept -7 and y-intercept 4. So we're going to first do the function 1, x-intercept 4 and y-intercept is 7. So we're going to solve it, and so in the form of m y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. So the point the points in the y-intercept or the y values are the y2 is automatically 0 minus -7 equals x2 is 4 and then the x1. Then after that we're going to simplify them, or we're going to solve them. So the answer will be 7/4, or in decimal is 1.75. So this is in function 1. So in function 2, we read that the function 2 includes the points here in the table. So the x values are 0, 2, 4, and 6. And the y values are -8, -3, 2, and 7. So we're going to separate them first by having a box. So we're separating them, x and y. 0 and then 2 and then 4 and then 6. And then after that we're going to write the y values, which is -8, -3, 2, and 7. And so after this, as this same as function 1, we're going to get the x values and the y values. So we're going to get 2 and 8. We're going to subtract them, and then 4 and 0. So we're going to write it. So 2 minus -8, and then 4 minus 0. So which means this is the y2, y1, x2, and x1. And then after that, we're going to simplify this signs, because they have they both the same. So we're going to have addition, and then 4 minus 0. And so this is 10/4, or we're going to simplify it, and it will be going to 5/2, or in decimal it will be going to be 2.5. And so we're gonna see who has the greater increase of rate. So we know that function 1 has the total of 7/4, or 1.75, and then the function 2 has the total of 5/2, or 2.5. And so we see that 5/2 is greater, and so the table for function 2 shows that for each increase of 2.5, or the 5.2 in the value of y, the slope is 5/2, and it's greater than the function 1. So because as we can see, this is 1.75 and this is 2.5. So function 2 is increasing more rapidly.